Delta and our global airline partners, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. Our priority on this flight is a safe, clean, and comfortable experience for you. For your safety, please stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. Please use caution when opening the overhead bins as items may have shifted during takeoff, and please keep the aisle clear of any potential trip hazards like bags or back straps. Federal regulations require all customers to comply with crew member instructions, prohibit the use of cellular networks during flight. Use of Wi-Fi to make voice or video calls is not allowed. Information on approved electronic devices can be found on the safety information card located in your seat pocket. Lavatories refresh throughout the flight, but if you do notice an untidy lavatory, please let a flight attendant know. Fast free Delta Sync Wi-Fi is available on today's flight for SkyMiles members. If you're not yet a SkyMiles member, it's fast and free and easy to join. Connect to the DeltaWiFi.com network to get started. Captain has elected to keep the seatbelt sign on for just a few more minutes. He's also asked that the flight attendants remain seated. Before we do ask that you please make certain that your seatbelts are securely fastened at this time. We invite you to enjoy our complimentary entertainment and a variety of complimentary Coca-Cola beverages and snacks. Premium snack boxes from our flight fuel menu and alcoholic beverages are available for purchase. Please note that federal regulations prohibit consuming any alcohol you may have brought on board with you. Remember, you'll save 20% in the form of a statement credit and earn double miles when you use your Delta SkyMiles credit card from American Express. Once again, if there's anything we can do to make your experience more comfortable, please don't hesitate to ask. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Our Delta cabin service will begin in just a few moments. Thank you.